All right, welcome back once again to the Marketing Basics for Beginners with Mr. Henry Vargas. I'm so excited for you because you've got your domain now, you've got your email address, you've set up your lead magnet, you've got your opt-in page built already, you've set up your autoresponder, you've written your first email, the welcome email. Now we're going to talk about something a lot of people just they don't pay attention to when or they don't we're going to talk about something that's a really valuable space that most people ignore, right? And what we're going to be talking about now is email signatures in general, whether it's for an email, whether it's for a forum post or a blog post. I'm going to show you real quickly on how to make one, okay? Again, I'm not going to go into the details of copywriting or the psychology behind how to write effectively. I'm just going to give you an example and from there pull it apart a little bit. So this is the same email that we went through earlier, but now I added something, which is this section right here, which is this the simple signature that you can use on all of your postings and all of your blog posts, all of your forum posts in your communities, on your social networks. So what I did is I believe in impacting every sector of society, including business, with the true love culture. Oh, I forgot to put that here. Then this is Mr. Henry Vargas, and then I would put the URL, right? henryvargas.com. And then, of course, I would make it an active hyperlink. Now, I would normally, because it's for the True Love Works Foundation marketing agency, I would put the other domain there, the actual domain for the foundation. But I'm going to use that one because the idea is to show you how to use personal branding with your domain name so that you can benefit from these principles. So now this little segment, and it's always good to have several signatures that where you can change them up. So this is just something that's very simple. You know, the your signature ought to be something that makes a statement about who you are or makes a statement about what you believe in and kind of direct subtly or indirectly um, hints to your business or to what you do, or your company. So for example, another example of a good signature could be, I believe in impacting every sector of society, including business, with the true love culture. So then I could put Mr. HenryVargas.com, and then the domain. It's very important that you put the domain in your signature because that's a space that most people aren't conscious about when they think about marketing. But a lot of people this will click on this just because of your powerful statement, right? That you make. I believe in impacting every sector of society, including business, with the true love culture. Obviously, you write your own statement, but it's something that's going to draw people to you. It's not spammy, right? It's not like hardcore selling, right? It's something very soft, very it's something that's more about you right now. If you're in a direct sales company, and let's say again, but the idea, the concept is to brand yourself. So the company that you're with is irrelevant, right? So let's say you work in a cryptocurrency opportunity. You could put in here, like I believe that cryptocurrency is the future is the future of economy, and I want to help prepare and I want to help people get ready for it. Mr. Henry Vargas, www.mrhenryvargas.com, etc. Right. So the importance of these signatures, and it's really important. You can have different ones, and if you have different capture pages, different opt-in pages, you have a variety. It's always good to do that because then you can have different signatures that are appropriate to the landing page that they are directing the people to. So this is another key factor here. This signature is very important, and again, you use it in your emails, you use it in your forum posts, in your groups, in your social networks, in your emails. So it's very important. It's a very small piece, but it's very important because it have a great impact on your bottom line. So that's how you want to include signatures in your marketing strategy.